Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central York County in southwestern Maine, East Central Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Stratford County in central New Hampshire until 6 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Exeter, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portsmouth, Hampton, Durham, Exeter, Kittery, Dover, Epping, Greenland.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 95 in New Hampshire between mile markers 4 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Rockingham and Stratford.
Hi there, this old house. You used to annoy me when I was 5. Okay, I'm off to eat food. Bye. I'll see you soon.